Okay, thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to draw a really simple cartoon dog. Nice easy one. So here we go. Start off with one circle there. We're going to go for a large circle sort of just below, just off to the side, and then a smaller circle just here. Now this is our dog's bum, this is our dog's chest, and this is our dog's head. So from the head we just need a nice simple little guideline there, kind of a bit of a rectangle coming off the front of the face, and this is for your dog's snout. Here we go, that's the curve of the back, and just up there, going at the back of the neck, the front of the neck on there, and sweeping up here you have your dog's body. From the back here, let's draw a nice little simple tail, and then we want to start sketching in a few of the details. So first off, from around about here near the front, we want to sketch one front leg. Let's keep his paws really simple for now. At the back here, we want, going from either side, the leg going backwards slightly, and then bring it just ever so slightly forwards. And again, let's keep those paws really nice and simple for now. We'll have this one just tipping back a little bit. Again, you've got another little paw hidden at the front there. Now, using this snap, we want to get our dog's nose, and then let's just sketch a little mouth on there. Now at the top here, let's sketch in very loosely a couple of ears pointing forwards. Again, we need to get a little bit of thickness to this tail, so let's go wide and thin again. There we go. Now we're going to put some eyes in here, so let's draw big round eyes, pupils looking towards the front, and then just using this guideline here, let's get a little bit of hair around the back of the neck, and we're going to do the same along the front there. And this gives us all of the basic shapes of our dog. Now for the mouth, we're going to bring it in rather than here, bring it back just a little bit. Just a bit of a nicer expression there. Put a little bit of detail inside the ears. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to switch across to a pen to kind of go over some of these outlines. And let's just go over some of these lines that we want to keep. So we've got our eye in there. Let's just put a little eyebrow over the top. The arch of the nose, and we have our dog's nose on there. Let's just shade that in. Now coming down the front and up again for the mouth. Again, let's just put that hair underneath the chin. Now for the ears, we're going to add a little bit more texture to these, just a touch. And again, to the one behind. And let's just very loosely, there we go, drawing that detail. Again, let's go around the back of the head. Now remember, we've got this jawline here, so let's just sketch a little bit of hair in there. Sweeping along the back, you can see just adding in little bits of detail, just to get a little bit of hair on there. We don't want it too smooth. Again, just sketching in the legs. Now for these paws, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 for your paw. Same behind. You can't see most of this, so you're just going to see a couple of those little toes on there. Let's make sure nice and hairy on the chest there. And again, we want a little bit of that kind of thigh muscle of the dog there. Same on this paw. 1, 2, 3. There we go. You can only see a little bit of that paw at the back. And then onto the tail. Again, we want to keep this kind of nice and fluffy. A little bit of texture there. And once you've done this, you can add in a few little bits of detail if you want. Let's just ground our character a little bit. Put a few little bits of detail on there. And there we go. You've got your very simple cartoon dog.